Alright, this is the group getting ready to leave. We are at Codrington College this morning. As you can see, everybody is milling around, including the ducks. And the walk is starting out there. Look at the beautiful water lilies. Ducks flying across the pond. It is a very scenic area, as you can see. And the hikers are on their way out, even as the ducks get their morning bath or fish or whatever it is they want to get. The Codrington School. We are going through the Codrington School grounds, so for the benefit of those who went here to school, I'm going to take the school grounds as we go through. Over on this side are some swings and the buildings, and of course up here is, I think, where they used to sleep, or maybe these are classrooms, because I didn't go to Codrington. Over there is the courts, as you can see, and there's a sign, Codrington School, and there's a church on the premises, which we're seeing right in front of us now. And my hikers are over there getting away from me as usual. I'm going to have to walk a little faster. I don't usually like to walk and take pictures. I like to stop, but I promise to give you a minute or so of the school grounds as we walk through the school early in the morning. Now there is the church with the bell tower and the arches, and as you can see, it's the Holy Cross Anglican Church that's on the school premises. And we're now exiting the school. Somebody's painted a nice mural, probably some of the children, on that galvanized hedge shed. And we're now entering somebody's driveway. This is quite an interesting thing. There's my hikers ahead, and these casuarina trees have formed a natural arch as we go down this. I'm hoping it's not too blurred. I'm trying to hold the camera steady. This has got image stabilization, and I have it on the wide view. But as you can see, the natural arch formed by the casuarina trees as we proceed down it is quite something. Now I can't keep the camera rolling much longer. We've done about 2 minutes, but I'll return to it all at a later date. Hopefully you get a few more views. Over here is their generator and tank. They've obviously got their own power. Trying to hold the camera steady. That's a rocky promontory out in Conset Bay that we're zoomed in on there. Now there is the Conset Bay Basin, and we are on our way up a serious inland trail. As you can see, the extent of our zoom. Our hike goes through jungle and bush pretty much like this every week, and I don't take a lot of it because, I mean, it all looks the same. So for each of these hikes I'm just trying to feature the differences, you know. So I just take a few seconds here of jungle and bush, but there's lots of this that we do every week. We come up on a house in the middle of nowhere, and as we emerge from the jungle, you can see that they're built in an area where they have a nice view. We're going to show you the view around the countryside. Looking over there, it's looking into the sun. We've just come up that hill. You gonna come near me? Some blackberry sheep there eyeing me as I come up the hill towards the college. Nice sheepy. You're a lot more peaceful than those dogs, aren't you? Yep, there we go. He's looking at me now. And that's where we've come from. All out there on the hillside. And this is where we're going. Back to the college. We're nearly there now.